In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report in ClickUp using dashboards. Reports in ClickUp are built around dashboards. Think of a dashboard as a customizable reporting page where you can pull in data from across your workspace and visualize it using different cards like bar charts, pie charts, time tracking, or workload summaries. We'll walk through creating and managing one of these reporting cards step by step so you can quickly see how your projects are progressing. Start by heading to the space or board where you want to track your goals or tasks. At the top of your screen, look for the View options. This is where ClickUp lets you switch between things like List View, Board View, and Dashboards. Open the View menu and choose the Dashboard option. If you already have a dashboard created, select it here. If not, you can create a new one and give it a clear name, like Task Management Report or Team Progress Overview, so you'll recognize it later. Once you're in your dashboard, you'll start building your report with cards. Click to add a new card. ClickUp may show you a menu with different categories. Here, choose something related to task management so your card can report on tasks across your lists, folders, or spaces. After that, select the specific type of card you want. For example, you might choose a card that shows tasks by status, by assignee, or by due date. This is where the highlight clicks in the original steps come in. You're essentially choosing the data source and how you want it displayed. When you configure the card, make sure you select the right location for your data, such as a specific list, folder, or your entire workspace. You can usually filter by status, assignee, or date range. Take a moment to set these filters so your report only shows what's relevant. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. Your new report card will now appear on the dashboard. If you add a card and later decide you don't need it, you can open its menu and choose Delete Card to keep your dashboard clean and focused. You can repeat the process to add more cards and even include an AI executive summary card if it's available in your ClickUp plan. That type of card can generate a quick overview based on your project data. Keep adjusting and refining these cards until your dashboard clearly shows the updates and trends you care about. That's how you create a flexible, visual report in ClickUp using dashboards.